Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Solid Rock Entertainment on the series I like to call Solid Foundation. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not going to do any long talking. We're going to jump into this Aswad live of the tune they call All I Need Is Your Love. Seen for more than just an hour, more than just a day. Right away.
London Posse, let me hear you. Are you feeling irie this evening? Okay, we're gonna come down with some sweet reggae music immediately. Be my lady, lady love. Oh, please be my lady, lady.
Oh gosh.
On and on and on and on we go.
Positive vibes.
Yeah.
May it reach you wherever you are.
Sing. I need your loving, baby, more than just an hour. I need your loving, girl, more than just a day. So hold me close, my love will never falter. I need your loving, girl, each and every day. Now I want to leave.
Rest in peace, Drummy Zeb.
That we can be together. Our hopes and our dreams, we can see this way. Won't you open up your arms and let me in? For with this feeling in my heart, I know we can win. You know, I need your loving, baby, more than just an hour. I need your loving, girl, more than just a day. So hold me close, my love will never falter. I need your loving, girl, each and every day. Hear me now. Join together. I hope and I pray we'll see a better day. Won't you open up your arms and let me in? For with this feeling in my heart, we can last for a lifetime. I need your loving, baby, more than just an hour. I need your loving, girl, more than just a day, baby. So hold me close, my love will never falter. I need your loving, girl, each and every day. Be my lady, lady love. Oh, please be my lady, lady love. On and on and on and on, on and on, on and on, on and on and on and on. We go
What a vibe. What a vibe. What a vibe. Man, I will always represent. I will always represent for Aswad on this channel. Right? Yeah. Because they just do what they do. Big up Drummy Zeb. Big up Tony God. Big up Mr. Kensington, right? Alright. So, we're going to keep the ball moving. Because we have some tunes to unload. Right? So, in comes, we're going to keep the ball rolling to prevent it from scrolling.